I was pretty sure the future of news was going to be online. I just didn't expect the total falling off the cliff that's occurred with print media.
We've got 5, and this is when we did the grand opening, Drury University. We did have good coverage where they covered local events and got the news out to the local community, and that's a lot of the display here, otherwise that history would have been lost.
Son Tommy, this is Bradley, this is James, myself, my grandson J. Rob, and little Cooper. That's my son overdosed over opioids, and I just would like to get out to other people. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, your family, any family member at any time could have an opioid problem. I will always remember the good memories, but won't forgive you for the bad ones. We love you, Ryan. And that was from my son.
A city council knew that if somebody did something stupid, it was going to be all over the paper whenever the paper came out, whether it was a daily or weekly. But we're now developing an America in which people have no idea what their elected officials are doing because the elected officials never been showing up at their meetings. I don't have any way to deliver this.